So, hi guys and welcome to my channel. On my last video, I was talking about how I did lose weight. So today, I'm going to share to you my tips on how to have that flat stomach. Flat. 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 Flat stomach. Oh, flat nga. Flat nga. Usapang food. Let's make it simple. So, ganito. Mixed with hot water only. Of course, fruits. Ang fruits ay ginagawa kong dessert after ng meal. Dessert after ng meal. Fruits really help me to feel full, kaya hindi ako nagugutom all day long. So, sa lunch naman, I see to it that it's less carb. I know, right? So, I am Asian and I really love white rice. But I do believe that too much love will kill you. So, that's why I'm using this portion-wise method to control myself. For example, my lunch will be like this. Mrs. Soup is very easy to make and super affordable. Kaya kung sino kayong nagtitipid like me, I really recommend. Lalo na sa malamig na panahon, like here, it's winter now. So, yeah. Portion wise, ito po yung talagang importante na you should do the portion wise. Yung hindi masyadong malaki yung portion, hindi rin masyadong maliit. For me, isang bowl ay tama na. So yan, portion wise portion. Drinks. So, I don't drink sweet drinks like sodas or this bicarbonated drinks na nagspa-sparkle everywhere. I really don't drink that one because it's so sweet for me. So yeah, I omitted the things. I don't really like the sweetness. But if you are a coffee drink, I am too. Coffee lover. If you are a coffee lover like me, my coffee is with no sugar. And if you like, you can put it just a little amount of milk. So sweetness like chocolates, na cakes na ganyan. So if you really like to have that flat stomach, recommended na kung mahilig kayo kumain ng mga sweets, I recommended to minimize it. Ako kasi hindi ako masyadong kumakain ng mga sweets, masyadong fan sa mga matatamis. What else? So, ayan. So, sa mga food, yung mga less carb, tapos portion-wise, also, ako naman, hindi na kami kumakain ng fast food masyado because you know the history. So, hindi ko na i-mention, but you know the history. So, yeah, I really recommended the homemade. So, ito po yung naging background ko at why I am talking like this. Ito po. So, this is not a body shaming. And this time kasi, that time kasi, hindi ako masyadong comfortable sa self ko. That's why I was searching and digging. And yeah, and I learned how cook some healthy food. That's why I feel comfortable now. That's why I want to share it with you. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like it and see you next time. See you next